Hello everyone, welcome to a day, or rather few days, in my life in Bali while running a six-figure digital marketing agency. Hi there. So it is 5:09. We didn't manage to sleep all night, so I guess we'll just get ready for the day and go swimming in the pool maybe, or just start with work and later on go and get some food. It is 6 a.m. and I didn't manage to sleep at all because I still have jet lag as we just arrived yesterday. I'm about to go and try to do some work by the pool. This is what our viewer looks like from the outside. We have a pool and this is where we stay, and as you can see there is a lot of greenery. It doesn't even feel like you're in the city. Okay, so we did a bit of work. It's getting close to 7 a.m. and as you can see it's so much brighter around me. So probably we're gonna go get some food soon, then continue with work. Okay, so a quick update. We got the bikes and we are going to work here for the next few hours. It's called Zin Cafe. So this is the breakfast. Looks pretty good. Okay guys, I know it could be super noisy right now, but a quick update. So we spent pretty much the whole day in the Zin Cafe, which is pretty much something like a co-working, I would say. Everyone is there with their laptop, so that's pretty great. And now we're just having a short walk on the beach. Hopefully you can hear me because it's pretty noisy outside. The water almost got my bags. So behind me is the popular place called Fin. It's like a Fin beach club, which apparently is super popular. On the other side is the sunset, and I'll show you that. Thank you for watching until the end. For those new to the channel, my name is Miro and I am a digital marketer. Currently I'm running a 6-figure online business, and the goal is to make more videos where I will share with you more insights on what I work, how I work, and how you can do the same. So if you're on the same page, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.
Брели си?
Не, тук нищо не минава.
Главата нещо врата удари.
Не, нищо не минава. Само като свети.